Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I pack a lunch. I used to do this when I went out to work, as well as I do this while I'm at home. So I'll make sure I actually have a healthy meal to eat. And this is important because nutrition is such a big part of actually growing healthy hair. So even on busy days, I want to make sure that I actually have a full lunch to eat and some snacks to go with it. So this is why every week I will go ahead. I don't do this every day now that I don't have to actually go out to work. I work at home, but I will make sure I have protein to drink. I will make sure I have a good salad along with snacks and some fruits and veggies, dressing with it, and also a little drink on the side. And I also pack a snack, guys. I go to the store every week, guys. I look at what's on Ibotta. If you haven't checked out that app, it's a great way to get a bunch of these little snacks you see that I have here. I load up every week because they're always having pretty cool deals where I get boxes of stuff, individual bars, yogurts, just all kind of things that I get rebates back on. I always look for the good stuff as well as some great rebates on there. Just make sure that you're shopping for things you're actually going to eat and get your money back and make the most out of your money out of this, because it's a great way to find some delicious snacks at the stores. And this is at Walmart, Target, Whole Foods. You go between all these stores or any other stores. They do have a bunch of different stores on there. Just load up on these fun snacks so you can pack a quick lunch and have some snacks to eat. The first thing I do, guys, is I go ahead, I wash my apples. I dry them with a paper napkin. This way everything is already clean. I don't have to worry about grabbing one every day and washing it. And I pre-pack them in these little Ziploc bag. You can just get these at Walmart, and I get 5 of them because on weekends I have time to actually just cook everything, and that's when I prep everything, so I don't need to do it. So this is each day of the week I will have 1 apple that's already prepped for me to add to my lunch, and this makes life so easy just prepping these individually. Next, I'll put my salad. I have this little jar that I do, mason jar. I add this salad dressing on. You can get any one that you want, guys. It's up to you which one you choose. And then I will go ahead and get some cucumbers. I love these little cucumbers. They're so easy to prep because you just rinse them. And I slice these into very thin pieces. You can do bigger pieces or slice them long way, any way you want to, but just slice them the way you want. That's going to make it easy to eat. And I put these in a bowl. Now, one things I do is to keep these lasting longer is I add a little bit of lemon juice and a tiny bit of water, and I make sure that's all over the cucumbers. This actually helped my cucumbers last all week in the fridge, so that way I don't have to worry about them getting soggy or not lasting for the week. Now with these little cherry tomatoes, I go ahead and get 2 boxes of these and just rinse them and add them on the side of the cucumber. And these are, I'm putting them on the side because that's what I'm going to use to prep my first plate. And then we're going to get this mixed spring greens, and these leafy greens are great. I love them. It's already mixed. It has a bunch of different greens in there, so I don't have to worry about buying them individually. And then I add my cucumbers on the side, and then I add my cherry tomatoes. I usually put a lot of cucumbers, so because I love them a lot. So add it as you want, guys. And I'm just going to store the rest of this away, and this is going to be the plate that I take for my day 1 meal. The next thing I do is I make a protein shake the day before. You don't have to do this. This is the one thing I do daily. I will go ahead and prep a protein shake and just leave it in the fridge. That way I will have this to go ahead and drink in the morning first thing before I actually start working. So that way I start out with a good protein drink. You can blend this in the blender. When I'm adding just a protein shake and peanut butter and a few spices in there, I can put it in a mason jar and I'm good to go, so I don't have to worry about that. So guys, with everything done prepping, you can see this is the amount I have done. I have for the week pretty much. I do have the cheddar sour cream chips. I don't do the same snack every week, and the chips, I don't have them every day. This is just once or twice a week now that I'll have this. Not all the time. So this is something that I prep different snacks as I changed out for the week. Now this is everything out together, laid out on the table to show you guys that I'll prep my 1-day prep for that next day. So with everything prepped, this is what I'm actually going to be eating for the week minus everything else. So it's going to be 1 bar, my salad, the bag of chip, an apple, a yogurt shake as well as this protein shake, or sometimes I'll do the little yogurt jars. So everything goes in this bag. If I'm going out, I'll put everything minus the protein drink in there, the shake, so that way it's ready to go. Grab myself a fork. And if you guys notice this little lunch bag, it is a igloo lunch bag, so it keeps everything pretty good temperature, whether you're gonna carry it with you or take it in the fridge. And that's it. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos that are coming out. Of course, leave all of your comments down below and go over and watch my last video.